In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the email address on your Paxful account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Paxful application on your device and proceed with logging into your account using your biometrics or your credentials. Once you are logged in, you will end up within the home page, from which if you wish to change your email address, tap on the account icon at the bottom right corner. Now, from the account page, tap on email and you will be allowed to edit your email. Tap on the request email change option, and now you will be asked to verify your identity first by entering your password. Type in your account password and proceed forward, and you will be allowed to enter your desired new email address. After entering your new email address, click on the send code button and you will receive a verification code within this new email. After entering this verification code within the next screen and proceeding forward, your email will successfully be changed, and now you will be able to use this new email in order to log in to your account in the future. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your email address on Paxful. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.